Welcome back to Time for Gardening. If you're looking to bring some greenery into your small space, you've come to the right place. Whether you live in an apartment, a studio, or a tiny home, the right indoor plants can completely transform your space into a lush and refreshing haven. In today's video, we'll explore the best indoor plants for small spaces, along with essential houseplant care tips, sustainable gardening ideas, and even some DIY vertical garden tricks to maximize your space. Plus, we'll cover the best flowers for spring that can thrive indoors. If you love plant care and want more seasonal planting tips, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite small space houseplant? Now, let's dive into our list of the best indoor plants for small spaces. If you're a beginner looking for an easy care houseplant that thrives in small spaces, the snake plant, Sansevieria, is a must-have. This upright, structural plant is perfect for apartments because it doesn't spread out too much, making it a great space-saving option. Even better, the snake plant is one of the best air-purifying plants, as it removes toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from indoor air. This makes it ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, and even small home offices where air quality is essential. Houseplant care for snake plants is effortless. They tolerate low light but thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. Water sparingly, about once every 2 weeks, because snake plants prefer to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering is the most common mistake, so make sure your pot has proper drainage. If you're looking for a sustainable gardening trick, you can propagate your snake plant by cutting a leaf into sections and placing them in water until they grow roots. A snake plant is a perfect starter plant for small space gardeners. When it comes to compact greenery with dramatic flair, few plants rival the Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. This trailing beauty grows long, lush vines, making it ideal for hanging planters, wall-mounted shelves, or DIY vertical gardens. Pothos thrives in small apartments because it doesn't require much sunlight. It does well in bright, indirect light but can tolerate low light conditions. Whether you place it in a hanging basket in your living room or let it trail down a bookshelf, Pothos adds a touch of natural elegance without taking up floor space. Pothos is one of the easiest plants to care for, requiring watering only when the soil feels dry. It also grows fast and can be propagated easily by cutting a vine and placing it in water until roots develop. If you want to embrace sustainable gardening, consider placing multiple cuttings in a single pot to create a fuller look. Since Pothos thrives in various indoor conditions, it's an excellent choice for small space plant lovers looking for a plant with minimal upkeep. If you want a small space plant that also blooms beautifully, the peace lily, spathiphyllum, is a stunning choice. This elegant plant features glossy green leaves and produces delicate white flowers throughout the year, adding a refreshing touch to any indoor setting. Aside from its beauty, the peace lily is a powerful air purifier, making it an excellent option for small apartments where air circulation might be limited. Indoor plant care for peace lilies is simple. They thrive in medium to low light and need watering about once a week. A great tip is to watch for drooping leaves. This is a sign that your plant is thirsty. If you're interested in seasonal planting tips, peace lilies bloom more frequently when exposed to consistent indirect light. Place them near a north-facing window for optimal growth and enjoy their year-round beauty in your cozy space. For a truly fuss-free houseplant that thrives in small spaces, the spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, is a great pick. It's known for its cascading green and white striped leaves that create a beautiful hanging effect, making it perfect for DIY vertical gardens. Spider plants also produce baby offshoots, or spinnerets, which dangle from the plant, adding extra charm to any space. Caring for a spider plant is incredibly easy. It adapts to various lighting conditions and only needs occasional watering. It's also one of the best plants for improving indoor air quality, making it an excellent choice for apartments with limited airflow. Plus, if you're looking for sustainable gardening ideas, you can propagate spider plants by simply snipping off the baby plants and placing them in water or soil. It's an effortless way to expand your indoor greenery. For those who love both greenery and functional plants, growing herbs indoors is a fantastic option. Basil, mint, and rosemary are among the best small space herbs that thrive on a windowsill or in a compact DIY vertical garden. Not only do these plants freshen up your apartment, but they also provide fresh ingredients for cooking. Herbs require consistent light and well-draining soil, so place them near a south-facing window for the best results. Regular trimming encourages fuller growth, ensuring you have an abundant harvest all year round. If you're interested in sustainable gardening, consider growing your herbs in upcycled containers like mason jars or tin cans. It's a fun and eco-friendly way to add greenery to small spaces. That wraps up our list of the best indoor plants for small spaces. Whether you're looking for low-maintenance greenery like the snake plant, an elegant bloomer like the peace lily, or a functional herb garden, there's a perfect plant for every small apartment. Remember, indoor plants not only beautify your home but also improve air quality and mental well-being, so start small and build your own indoor jungle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Time for Gardening. We post seasonal planting tips, DIY gardening projects, and houseplant care advice to help you cultivate a lush indoor oasis. Let us know in the comments which plant from this list is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.